Can you still make capital appreciation on property in Dubai? Because I'm seeing something go around in the comment section recently, and that is a lot of people thinking that the prices have reached their ceiling. There's no way it can go up higher. This comment is on a video about JVC, and I also agree, 650,000 for a studio apartment in JVC does seem pretty high. And for me, I'm waiting patiently to see if the prices do continue to rise. I bought a number of off-plan properties between studios and one beds over the last few years in JVC, all of which have now finally handed over, all of which have appreciated in capital appreciation. But I bought them between 450,000 and 550,000 over the last few years, and so far they've grown. Now, you would also expect lower yield. Of course, if you buy a property for 450k, like I bought my first studio, you're going to get a higher yield than if you pay 650, 100%. But it really depends on the research that you do personally. Now, I'm not a real estate agent, so I'm not here to tell you, oh, definitely go and buy in JVC because you're going to make loads of money. I myself am an investor, and I've made significant amounts of money investing into JVC. In fact, JVC is the best ROI I've had anywhere in Dubai. My properties there are always rented, and I do them on a monthly rental. If you want to learn more about that, there's a link in my bio that you guys can sign up and have a little chat there. But that's been the best return. Maybe it won't be anymore, but that for me personally has been. And I actually think that when JVC is complete, which it won't be for a few more years, right? Once all the plots are built, all that stuff, I think JVC is actually going to be one of the best communities to live in. Now, I might be completely wrong, right? And also we're talking about affordable communities, not these high-end luxury ones. But there's going to be loads of parks, which there already is. All the dust is probably going to settle mostly, just like all the other, like downtown, where, you know, it's done. There's not dust in downtown. And I think it could be quite a nice place to live. Now, I could be wrong, but I think that once that happens, as long as Dubai's property market at least goes sideways or slowly trickles up, like the other big economies in the world, I think that 650 could be quite a good price in a few years. So it completely depends on your time horizon. For me personally, I'm holding on to my units for now. I may decide to sell if I see a shift in the market. For me right now, the yield is really good in JVC, and I'm going to continue to hold to see what happens. And you want to come join a group of like-minded investors, there's a link in my bio.